This is 6-6 Geometric Sequences warm-up. Your objective today is that you can write and find terms in a geometric sequence. This is the warm-up. If Cody has $500 to invest at 9% annual interest compounded monthly, how long will it take for her investment to grow to $3,000? So if you haven't tried this yet, go ahead and pause and give this a shot. Otherwise, stick around and we will go through it. So Cody has $500 to invest. I guess the first thing that I want to do is I want to figure out what my equation is that I'm going to use for this. We're talking about money, and we're talking about interest, and it's compounding, and so that's kind of the big indicator that I'm looking for, that y equals p 1 plus my rate over the number of times I'm compounding raised to the number of times I'm compounding times the time. So I kind of need to figure out the values of all these. And so my principal amount, that's how much I started with. Cody started with $500. Her rate of interest is 9%. That's not really what we use in this equation, though. We use a decimal form, so it's 0.09. My n is the number of times that I'm compounding a year. Compounded monthly, that tells me it's 12 times a year. And we want to know how much it winds up, or how long it takes to get to $3,000. And so this is a little bit different for us in that this is equal to 3,000. So if I plug these things in, I go, okay, y equals, y is 3,000. 3,000 equals my amount, which is 500, 1 plus my rate, which is 0.09, divided by 12. And this is 12 times t. And so we haven't really dealt with this much of not knowing what our variable or our time value is. And so with this, what we're going to kind of do is we're just going to do a little bit of a guess and check, and we're going to be able to start kind of getting our answers close. And so my recommendation is use a calculator, specifically one that you can type in and like re-edit stuff. So if I go, okay, 500, 1 plus 0.09 divided by 12. Oops, not tangent. Close that parenthesis. Raise to 12, and then I'm going to start with times 1. So at year one, I'm at 546. And so that kind of tells me, I might need to make a little bit bigger jump than ones. Let's go to 5 and see where we're at. When we're at year 5, we're at $782.84. All right, so let's go to 10. All right, so year 10, I'm at $1,225.60. I'm going to say 7 cents because banks don't like to give you extra money. If I'm at 15, $1,919. I don't know what that extra thing is there for. $1,919.02. Okay, let's go to 20. And so at year 20, I'm at $3,004.57. And we were looking for when it was 3,000, and this is pretty close. Maybe so just under 20 years, and so that's kind of giving my answer is just under 20 years, which isn't too bad given everything. And so that concludes the warm-up. Have a good one.